Codella, when she first came into my office, she had a fracture. She had seen several orthopedic surgeons. They were unable to fix her fracture, and so they basically referred her over to me because she had this comminuted, non-healing fracture, and she just wasn't being treated.
The doctor at Hughley Rehab referred me to Dr. Lou, and that was a life-saving event because I think if I'd stayed with the orthopedic doctor, I could have possibly have lost my foot. Dr. Lou said that I had both fractured on the inside and outside, and there wasn't very little to hold my foot onto my leg. And he said that he thought working together that we could possibly save my foot.
When I first saw her, I gave the option of, one, going through with the amputation as orthopedics suggested, or possible fusion of the ankle with an implant. The implant is one of the first implants in the United States to be ever used for ankle fusion of this sort. Basically, it's called 4-web, and it's a cage system. Basically, you graft bone into the implant and then implant it into the ankle where the bone is basically going to be removed. Once we took her into surgery, dissected and resected the non-viable bone, placed the implant into the joint space that we had just created, and packed that implant with basically allograft bone. And once we did that, in order to fixate this implant, we had to put an external fixator on it. And the external fixator itself is a ring fixator, and what that does is basically stabilize and provide some compression to the implant in order for this implant to heal.
I think Dr. Lou did a great job. It's been a long haul, but he's visited me when I've been in rehab, and he's told me what was going on. And my foot's healing well, and I've been able to have this walking boot on so that I can get around. It's still a little bit difficult. I have that weight on my leg, but I have managed to learn how to get around. And Dr. Lou's encouraged me to, try and keep my spirits up and encouraged me that it won't be too much longer. And he's been very helpful.